Hello everyone, I'm going to do another video on modern socialism, and this one I'm going to compare the word gay to socialism. Okay? Socialism is gay, gay is socialism, and I'll explain this. Words change over time, meanings change over time, and if you are using the wrong meaning, then you are not understanding anything in the conversation. The word gay is a perfect example. Back in the 1930s and 1940s, the word gay meant happy. You will hear it in videos, you will see it in movies from the time period, titles of movies, dialogue in the movies. You'll hear it referenced in songs. Gay means happy. 1930s, 1940s, gay means happy. Nowadays, and I think it's around the 1970s, gay equals homosexual. So if anybody says gay now, they mean homosexual, right? So ask someone, what does gay mean? Will they say it means happy? No, it doesn't. It means homosexual. Socialism is the same way. And in fact, it's about the same time period. You see, the word gay meaning happy was pretty much used in the 1930s, 1940s, and 1950s. The same time that socialism, in its old sense, was being used in the 1940s and 1930s. Okay? So it's the same time frame, really. Socialism back then meant a government where the state owns and runs many things. Okay? Where the state owns and runs many things. And by the way, that does not necessarily mean a dictatorship. Okay? A state can own the utilities in the nation without being a dictatorship, for example. Okay, so, but even in that case, gay meant happy. Socialism meant state control of many aspects of society. Okay? Neither of those terms apply today. Today, and the way it's been used for many years, gay means homosexual. And that's what it means. Don't try to use the word gay to mean happy, because that's not what it means anymore. And socialism, don't try to use the word socialism with respect to the 1930s version. That isn't going to fly either. Socialism today does not mean state-controlled things. Not in that sense. State-managed, state oversight, but not state-owned and operated. Okay? Socialism does not mean any of those things it did. And even in the worst case of state-owned and state-operated, consider the FAA, right? It's an oversight agency to make sure airplanes are safe and to make sure airplane travel is safe. Should that be left up to private companies, or do you think it'd be best as let the government oversight? Okay? So even then, state-owned or state-managed does not necessarily mean dictatorship, okay, in any sense of the word, and certainly not in the modern sense. But socialism today, like gay today, completely different meanings of the word. And so if you are a conservative, and I'm a conservative, if you're a conservative and automatically get this without, I see it, they do it without thought. Ding! Socialism, Venezuela. Socialism, Soviet Union. Socialism, dictatorship. It's like you're programmed. Boom! 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 I see it all the time with conservatives. Look, that's not the right answer. You've been taught incorrectly. Socialism today has nothing whatsoever to do with socialism in the 1930s, 1920s, 1940s. Not at all. Okay? Socialism today, like the word gay. Gay means homosexual. It does not mean happy. If you try to mean happy, you're using it incorrectly today. Socialism today, if you try to mean a dictatorship, boom, 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 redistribution of wealth, boom, 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 you're using it incorrectly. You're just completely using it incorrectly. Totally incorrectly. Okay? So, you conservatives and libertarians who have this response to socialism go, socialism, we must kill socialism. Chill. Not the right word, not the right concept, not the right anything. Okay? Modern socialism, in short, means this: a government which serves the people. It serves the citizens of the nation or of the state, if it's like the state of California or Texas, serves the citizens of the nation or state rather than serving the corporations, foreign governments, or the politicians and their families. That is modern socialism today. As Abraham Lincoln said, it's of the people, by the people, for the people. Okay? So there you go. Modern use of the word socialism is fits in very much with Western society and with what the Founding Fathers wanted, and is the way we need to go. Okay? Discard all your notions about socialism as the word was used in the 1930s, 1940s. Doesn't apply. And if you try to use that word again in that context, I'm going to tell you it does not apply. Okay, that's all.